Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a Mercedes GLK 350 4MATIC, and it's 2010. That's where we put the camera on factory spot for the camera. So as you can see, that's the unit. It's 10.25 inch. This car came with a really tiny screen. That was the factory screen of the car, and we installed our 10.25 inch, and you can fully control it by the command drive in the middle of the dash without any problem. So you can scroll left and right and select any option that you want. By clicking on FM CD, it goes to the factory mode, and by touching the screen you can go back to the aftermarket mode. Backup camera with dynamic guidelines, and this car came with factory sensors, so as you can see, they're fully activated. You can play media such as video and music. You can go to full screen video, or half screen video. Comes with offline maps. That's where we are located, on 160 Conrad Crescent in Ontario, Markham. And also you can go to the dash. It shows the RPM, it shows the climate control, and also the speed of the car. Or you can go to the Android section. A lot of people, they asking us, does it matter if you have iPhone? It doesn't really matter. You can do the hotspot, share the data between your phone to this screen, and use the apps that they're pre-installed on this unit without any problem. If you have any question, you can give us a call at 4x4shop.ca, or you can buy them online directly from 4x4shop.ca, or give us a call at 905-604-4294. We will be more than happy to assist you to get one of these units installed or ship them to your home or to your business. Thank you and have a great day.